Hi, it's Beth again. Apparently the DeVry Institute has yet another embarrassment on their hands because Ron got very nervous and will not come to the blue screen. Before I give you my weather report, I'm going to say hello to our little giraffe friend, courtesy of Yap Hank's own Long Island Game Farm Zoo, who is one of our sponsors. Like last week with Splish Splash. Everybody loves Splish Splash. Okay. Here is, I'm sorry, but because Ron was nervous, he also didn't put the map up of Long Island. So pretend like this is out east, and this is over here in Nassau County. As you can see, we've got a wicked, as they say in Boston, a wicked storm brewing. In Levittown, it's all right. It's not too bad. Now, if you get on 7th State, make sure that you don't get off on Straight Path and Wyandanch, because that area can be very, very dangerous, not just for the weather, but for all involved, for all parties involved. Can't really think of what else. Over here in, you can see, if you work in Manhattan, or if you work in Queens, as you cross into the New York City boroughs, you will notice that the sun is shining for some reason, even though there's a storm of brewing out there. So, anyway, Ron, thanks for nothing. And by the way, Shirley, I see you piling your hair up over there. It is absolutely luxurious. Okay, well, let's move over to the couch, if we could. And we're going to ask Ron to join us because I insist if he's going to get paid this week, he's going to contribute something to the show. We'll be right back. Got my hair.